I still have to bring him to me, so I bring him out to me. Change, here, like boom, it's all there. I'm not trying to teach you a fighting application, but the distance is important, because what we're gonna do is go 1, 2, our waltz, up, down, forward, touch the foot. That's like a lot of information, a lot of important information, but the reality is that all the information in the world could be out there, is out there, but if you don't embody it, it doesn't mean a single thing to your being, like zero, right? So you have to keep training with authenticity. But the skill that I want you guys to be able to combine into this is that the contact point becomes like an invisible contact point to his neurology, because the neurology is faster than the eye. So if he always feels comfortable, he always feels comfortable, always feels comfortable, always feels comfortable, always feels comfortable.